So this is what it will come like. This is my hand, and that's the box. I have one set up already, so if it comes off or slides just a little bit, you'll definitely know. That's my hand. It's about how big it is, and like I said, it was pretty misleading because I thought it was going to come in another box. But this is what, sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed here. This is what it will look like when you get them. They're all just put in there like that. And obviously I have one like this, but it has an alarm, a chime, and an off. So if I go ahead and turn it to the middle one, it sounds like that. And if I turn it to off, nothing will happen. So it's a nice feature to be able to arm them or disarm them based on your needs. Just wanted to share this with you and hopefully it helps somebody.
My wife and I had bought these audible window and door alarms for security purposes, of course, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with them. You have 3 settings: off, chime, and alarm. I'm going to show you on, obviously, the off setting. It doesn't do anything. I'll unlock my window. Nothing happens, okay? So when you personally want to use your windows, you don't have to worry about the alarm going off or chiming. This is the chime alert. It's pretty loud. And this is the alarm, which is obviously really loud, so. You definitely know if there was an intruder in your house in the middle of the night. So for me, I give this a great review. I highly suggest buying these.
Okay, on, and it definitely works. You shut the door and it goes back. All right, and then I did the same thing. I put these sensors in my apartment. As you can see, there's one on this window and that window. Easy to install. Somebody goes up that window, that sensor's gonna go off. So it was a good product. I recommend it.
If you have toddlers or small kids, do not get these. They easily pop off to get to the button batteries. There's no safety screw in order to take the cover off for the batteries. So if you have it down lower on a window where the window would open from, your kid can easily just, it doesn't take any kind of finger strength at all to get these covers off. So if you have kids, don't buy these.
All right.